Hello class, welcome to week 4. As always, make sure you check the announcement section in order to keep up to date with anything I may have communicated with you since the time that we met or just throughout the week. So if we go into the week 4 tab, you will come to this page. Remember, you can look here at this PDF file. There's several quotes, an introduction as to what we're going to be talking about throughout the week, your course learning objectives, and then your checkoff sheet if you wish to utilize this. There's this graphic as well. We're going to be covering chapter 6 and 7 and these various sections within the DSM-5. Make sure you do your practice vignettes. This is just utilized so you can continue to apply the material. It's not graded. Keep working on your child abuse training. That is due at the end of week 5. So I don't want that to come up and surprise you. Remember, there needs to be some sort of narrative to it as well. And you can do it screencast-matic like I do with a PowerPoint, or you can add your voice to the PowerPoint. It just really depends on what you feel comfortable doing. But there needs to be some sort of audio, and if there is not, you will be deducted, I believe, 15 points from the total. So make sure to keep that in mind. Continue to work on your final assignment. And what we have this week specifically is the discussion board for week 3 and 4. So hopefully you completed your initial posting last Friday, and now the work that is due for week 4 is to complete your 3 peer responses Sunday by midnight. So that's Sunday of week 4. So the end of this week, complete your 3 peer responses. And then you also have quiz 4. So down here, you can look into the course materials, and you will find the PowerPoints for chapter 6 and 7, as well as a PowerPoint on solution-focused therapy. If we go down a little bit further, in the assignment section, this is where you're going to find the discussion board and quiz 4. And then when we go down a little bit further to the activities folder, I'm going to have to pause this immediately because it starts as soon as you enter in it. There's an interactive vignette for you to do. This is a new tool that has been added this semester. The CII and the course coordinator spent a significant amount of time really developing this. So you click begin, and there will be various cases that are given to you for you to utilize your DSM as well as all the material that we're learning in this class. So this is a nice practice, an interactive activity for you to utilize to practice before taking your quiz. There's various assessment items down here as well for you to look at and put into your tool belt. And then finally, at the bottom, you will find our link for our Adobe Connect class that will happen on Monday from 6 to 8. So that's what we have for this week. You have your discussion board, which should just be your peer responses, 3 of them due Sunday by midnight. Quiz 4 due Sunday by midnight. And keep working on your child abuse presentation that's due at the end of week 5. And keep working on your final assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions. And I look forward to seeing you during our next Adobe Connect class.